Don't just rely on making scripts and memorizing what you want to say. Also practice how you're going to say it in real time, in real life. How? Maybe practice in front of a mirror. Maybe stand in a room and think that the empty room is your audience. Try to make an eye contact, an imaginary eye contact with everybody. That means all areas of the room. You should know what kind of words are you going to use. When you practice, you will be able to spot your errors. You will be able to understand if you're repeating any words. You will be able to understand if you're forgetting some part of your script. So that when you are actually doing this performance, you do not make those mistakes that you made in the practice sessions. If you do not practice and rely only on the script, you wouldn't know which are the places where you could go wrong or which are those sentences that could be improved. Till your next talk. Toodles.